Alright, folks. He's got a red signal here at the north end and he's northbound train. That means he got an approach signal or a yellow signal down there. And since he's coming in the side, he's probably got a medium approach, which means he's coming in knowing he's got to stop down here, so he's not going to be coming really fast. Alright, thank y'all. Alright, we got lights on the side of the car. That means we got a train coming around the corner. Let's see what we got. Locomotive facing this direction there. Looks like the radiators are south. So multiple locomotives. I don't believe this is Abbeville switcher. We got another coal train coming through. Picking up, making sure they got coal anyway. That's why he's going so slow. He's got to stop. That's a heavy train. Pull it up. Put it on shake mode. I had to do a lot of editing, y'all. I'm never going to have to clean this one up. I'm shaking. It's kind of a little bit cold, but I'm not shaking because of cold. I'm just an old man standing here. I'm 63, y'all. I've been that for a while. I don't know what railroads or whose cars these are. 762 on the head end. Riding the bolt, that means it's an AC. They got 356 on the bottom here. CW44 AC. You see the radiator is gray. Sounds like it had fans going on, dynamic brakes up there. Alright, this is the SCWX. Fully loaded coal train. This one comes out of Kentucky. I'm going to walk up to the front up there. So they're waiting on the train. This train's got to get going here a little bit, this auto rack train. They're taking their time. Alright, this one's got an actual belt. We got the radial trucks. $4,400 horsepower. Look, your generator alternator, since this is AC, this is an ES44AH, so I assume it's an AC locomotive. Your alternator's gonna be right there. Back in that section is where your engine is. The alternator's gonna be right there. And you got air intake for it to compress that compartment with air to keep the dust from coming in these seams or whatever. Up there's your dynamic brakes. It's got three blisters on there for them, or vents or whatever. And you can see it's like a big grill in there behind those movers. I can see red grills in there. Rusty red more than this. I don't think they're red from heat, but when they get going hot, you'll be able to see some light up in there. ES44AH. Alright, let me go on up.